Hey guys, welcome back to the Going Broke Motorsports YouTube channel. Today on this episode we got the full EVO 3-inch turbo back system.
Ooh, shiny.
Yeah, it's gonna wake the machine up. Really gonna have a bark to it. Now, in order to do this, it's pretty simple. They made it really easy for the Pro XP models. We're gonna take out the rear seats here. Then this whole rear back panel is just quick clips. You just spin it, the whole back panel comes out so we get access to the turbo. Oh, somebody's here. Anyway.
Somebody's here.
It's 4 bolts up on the back side of the turbo that'll unbolt the exhaust downpipe. So that's pretty easy to get to.
Down in there.
Yeah, it's all hidden behind the heat shields and all that. But excited to do
Look
this.
who it is.
Oh man, my brother. Oh man. Okay, anyway.
Well, good.
Subscribe to OnlyFans for that one. Exclusive content only. But yeah, we're gonna get to work on this thing and hopefully she sounds alright.
Yeah, get to it. I'm excited.
I'm working on it. You won't put down the camera. Jesus Christ. You don't say that. Hi. So we got the downpipe off. Pretty straightforward to do, not that bad. Took off all the back paneling, all that. There's 4 bolts to take off the downpipe. Not too hard to do. Just a little extension, a little persuasion. John, what did you think of that?
It wasn't bad. I mean, I've definitely seen worse. But show them that bracket I got in our way.
Oh, no, not yet.
So with the tool that we had, hold on now. This bolt was actually in the way to get that in there straight without it stripping. So we just cut that off, broke it so we can get in there straight and not strip the bolt out. But unless you have a better tool, get in there.
Yeah, and it's no big deal if you do strip them out. Just be a pain in the ass to get them back out of the turbo. With the EVO stuff, they do provide new bolts to go in to the turbo housing for the downpipe. So if you strip them, not that big of a deal. So we'll keep on getting this thing done.
Yeah, I'm ready to hear this thing. Let's go.
Yeah, we've only been waiting a week for this exhaust, so let's get after it. Alright guys, we got the exhaust fully on. Looks very good. I'm about to do the first fire up on it. It's gonna sound sick.
Oh yeah.
Crack that garage door, would you? got some throat to her now, boys.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Now we can compare aftermarket Assassins on the old Turbo S here. EVO full 3-inch turbo back on the Pro XP.
Hell yeah.
So guys, hopefully this video was, pretty instructive for you. There's not a lot of videos of people doing the full 3-inch install on these machines. Not a lot of people like to buy the full exhaust just for price point of it, but willing to spend the money to bring that type of content to the channel. Hopefully, it encourages you guys to, stick around, see what we got future plans wise. But comparison to aftermarket Assassins and EVO, this one is in your face loud. This one's more tame. All depends on your preference. You can get a quiet core for the aftermarket Assassins.
That's what I'm getting for this one. It's a little too loud for me. So
yeah,
video to come on that. See the difference of quiet core in it and not.
And just the overall build quality of the two. Aftermarket Assassins is not super great, but if you're not looking to break the bank, it's definitely worth buying. We'll have to see how the quiet core sounds in it. If it quiets it down extremely to where it's tameable, not in your face, or if it's just worth the money to spend for EVO, the way that they have them built, that they're very tame. It's a little girthier sounding than stock, but it's not super loud, even being a full 3-inch system.
Yeah. But for now, that'll work.
Yep.
So thanks for watching, guys. More videos to come.